Here we are at 1260 Commodore Crescent in beautiful Williams Lake, BC. A 1-bedroom up, 3-bedroom down home. A split entry. Very clean and tidy and affordable. Let's go have a look. Go downstairs first. Bedroom. Another bedroom. It's got a laundry room area, a little toilet. This is used as a storage area. And the third bedroom. Let's go check out upstairs. Master bedroom area. Got a nice walk-in closet. Four-piece bathroom. And a hard-working kitchen. Little eating area. Nice bright living room. And we'll finish off with the deck outside. Perfect for barbecuing and family entertainment. If you want to have a closer look at 1260 Commodore Crescent, you can give Tanya a call at 250-392-0371 or send her an email at tanya@tanyarankin.com. Hope you have a great week.